Hey guys, so just a quick disclaimer at the start of this video. It's not a video we had intended on shooting at the time. We shot this on my phone, so it wasn't that good a quality. But my husband's work, it was their 10-year anniversary, and so they decided to shout, all staff plus partners, a night down in Queenstown. Awesome! So we'd packed our bags, we'd got everything ready, we jumped in the car, right, we got tickets and everything. Clint said, yep, I've chucked the bags in the back. Cool, we're sorted. We drove to the airport. It's, you know, about a 40-minute drive from where we are. Got parked up in the car park, opened the boot, and only Clint's bag was in the back. Needless to say, the trust has now left our relationship. I was dressed fine for mucking about and doing some bit of touristy stuff during the day, but that evening we were meant to be going out for dinner and drinks with the workies. The first shop we went to was pretty much where I found everything. We went to the Salvation Army store, and it was amazing what we could get for what price. Don't be scared of going into second-hand stores. Don't feel ashamed of buying clothes there. I'll show you what I ended up getting. I know that it probably would have been more fun for the viewer if I'd done like a whole Barbie doll montage and tried on 10,000 different outfits and modelled them, but I'm not quite wired that way. I just wanted to pick something, try it on, yes it fits, cool, and leave, because I had other plans. You know, I wanted to go up on the gondola and go down the luge and have a bit of fun, which we did, and it was cool fun. So I'd rather go and do stuff rather than just spend money and obtain stuff, no matter how cheap it is. So who didn't pick Who's in Disgrace? Hang on, let me show you who's in disgrace. This man here, he is in disgrace. This is my Julia Roberts moment. I'm like Julia Roberts in Pretty Woman, going on a big shopping spree. You know, except Clint's not Richard Gere and he's not a millionaire and I'm not a hooker, so, you know. But other than that. So, first off, Salvation Army. See what we can find. Right, jacket is totally wrong. These jeans are $6. Clint likes the top, but I'm not keen. It's not my colour. The jeans are $6 and the shoes are $18, and I think they're pretty good. Quite happy with these.
Yeah.
The jacket not so much. Alright, next pair of jeans. These are pretty good, I like them, but they're not as dressy uppy.
Yeah. And how much are those jeans?
Also $6.
Oh, there we go. You can't beat that, can you? Alright.
I have no idea what Clint just put on my head. This is more like my colour. Is this a bowler hat?
No.
I'm wearing a bowler hat.
If it was a bowler hat, I'd be buying it.
It's kind of cool actually. It's a bit snug though. It's not comfortable.
Oh, okay, alright, we won't get it. But come on, that looks cool.
It's kind of cool though. I feel cool. Jacket. That is a very, very warm jacket. That's not bad.
$15.
I quite like that. $15 for a jacket. Obviously, to go underneath it.
It's growing on you, is it?
It's not bad. It is very, very warm. I'm feeling the heat in here, so.
Oh, really?
It's going to be freezing out there tonight, so.
Yeah. Okay, so that's you then?
So, yeah. Okay, so the ensemble. I think the boots were $18.
Yep.
The jeans, these are Levi's, so they're pretty good jeans. These were $6. I'm wearing a shirt underneath, which was $6, and this jacket, which is so warm, originally from Glassons, was $15. So, you know, complete ensemble, that ain't bad. So, you know, don't be afraid to hit up thrift stores. I'll show you I ended up going for the green top that I wasn't so certain about. But, you know, we could have spent ages in there sifting through all the clothes, and at the end of the day we wanted to go up the gondola, we wanted to come down the luge, so, you know. But at the end of the day, there we go. That's not a bad effort for the moolah spent.
Yeah, side on the shoes.
What's that?
Side on the shoes.
Side on the shoes.
Yes, very, very swanky shoes.
So there we go. Leave us a comment. Let me know what kind of stuff you guys score from secondhand stores. And we'll catch you next time. Bye.